Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. If you're into Fujifilm gear or considering a camera upgrade, this video is one you definitely don't want to miss. What we're about to dive into could change your perspective on APS-C cameras forever. The upcoming Fujifilm X-H3 isn't just another iteration in the X series lineup. It might be the most groundbreaking leap in mirrorless technology we've seen in years. Today we'll uncover everything from massive sensor improvements to creator-focused, hybrid features that promise to reshape your workflow. Before we get deep into the details, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. This isn't just about specs on a product sheet. This is about a camera that might redefine the very concept of hybrid shooting. And with all the buzz surrounding this release, it's clear Fujifilm has something major up its sleeve. Let's start with what lies at the heart of the Fujifilm X-H3, the sensor. Rumors and trusted industry leaks are pointing toward a brand new, stacked back-illuminated X-Trans CMOS sensor. This advanced imaging technology is expected to exceed the 40 megapixel cap of the current X-H2, pushing the boundaries into truly high-resolution territory. But it's not just about pixel count. The new sensor is reportedly optimized for video as much as it is for photography. We're talking full sensor readout, 6.2K internal recording, minimal rolling shutter, and incredible dynamic range. It might just be the best sensor ever put into an APS-C body. Now pair that with the rumored X processor 5 Plus. This next-gen processor is designed to deliver blistering data throughput. Think real-time processing, intelligent autofocus tracking, and advanced noise suppression that performs even under harsh ISO settings. Whether you're capturing high-speed action, cinematic B-roll, or gritty street shots at night, the Fujifilm X-H3 looks poised to deliver 12-bit RAW images at up to 40 FPS, without compromising color depth or buffer performance. And that, my friends, is what separates this camera from the crowd. It's not just a resolution bump, it's an overhaul of hybrid functionality. If you shoot both stills and video, the X-H3 is built with you in mind. Finally, creators won't have to pick between speed, quality, and portability. Let's move on to some critical user experience upgrades, starting with the viewfinder. Leaked designs suggest that the X-H3 will be outfitted with an upgraded 5.76 million dot OLED electronic viewfinder. Even more impressive, it's rumored to run at a refresh rate of 120 Hz or higher. This translates to blackout-free shooting and a virtually lag-free real-time preview. For sports photographers, wildlife enthusiasts, or anyone who needs fast and accurate composition, this is a game-changer. But there's more. The in-body image stabilization system is expected to see a significant upgrade as well. According to leaked engineering reports, the X-H3 may offer up to 8 stops of stabilization. That's better than what you'll find in many full-frame rivals. Picture handheld long-exposure shots at night, or buttery smooth video footage while walking through a dimly lit location. With this level of IBIS, your creative freedom expands dramatically. Here's where it gets really exciting. Fujifilm might debut its first-ever fully decoupled dual stabilization system on the X-H3. This means lens-based and body-based stabilization can operate in harmony without causing the micro-jitter that plagued previous attempts. If this leak holds true, it sets a new standard in handheld shooting. Let's talk about design. The body of the X-H3 is undergoing some thoughtful refinements. While retaining the secure, deep grip of its predecessor, early production reports suggest a rebalanced weight distribution. This is made possible through new heat-dissipating vents that also add to the camera's structural stability. The result? A rig that feels lighter, handles better, and stays cooler during long shoots. On the connectivity front, Fujifilm is finally addressing the needs of modern creators. Expect dual card slots, one CF Express Type-B and one UHS-2 SD slot. This means you can handle high bitrate footage like ProRes 422HQ internally, no external recorders needed. That's a huge win for those managing large files and looking to streamline workflows. And yes, internal Apple ProRes is coming. Fujifilm is rumored to be packing the X-H3 with native ProRes 422HQ capabilities, previously reserved for high-end cinema rigs. Now you can shoot, edit, and deliver all from one body. Battery life is also getting a major bump. Fujifilm is said to be incorporating an enhanced version of the NPW235 battery. It reportedly offers up to 15% more endurance and better thermal performance. Throw in USB-C 3.2 fast charging, and you're looking at a significant improvement in uptime, a must-have for professionals on the move. And speaking of professionals, the wireless upgrades are equally ambitious. The X-H3 is expected to support Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3, making wireless tethering, instant image sharing, and cloud syncing faster and more stable than ever. Whether you're live streaming behind-the-scenes content or remotely triggering your camera during complex shoots, the X-H3 has the tech to keep up. Now let's address what might be the most important factor for many: price. Industry insiders suggest a starting price of around $2,299 for the base model. That puts the X-H3 in direct competition with full-frame giants like Sony and Canon. However, with its stacked sensor, ProRes workflow, and robust hybrid capabilities, the X-H3 might just offer the best value proposition in the APS-C world. But wait, there's more. Rumors are swirling about a Pro variant of the X-H3 that could be bundled with premium add-ons or exclusive firmware upgrades, pushing the price closer to $2,800. While this sounds steep for an APS-C system, remember, you're getting features, usually reserved for much more expensive setups. This is strategic positioning from Fujifilm, aiming not just to keep pace, but to dominate the hybrid creator market. And timing? Fujifilm is rumored to officially announce the X-H3 by late October, with full availability rolling out by November or December. That means it will land just in time for the holiday season and 2026 production cycles. Smart move. From the stacked sensor to the revamped stabilization system, the improved processor to the reimagined ergonomics, every element of this camera screams innovation. The Fujifilm X-H3 doesn't feel like just another refresh. It feels like Fujifilm listened to its user base and decided to go all in. This could be the camera that finally bridges the gap between mirrorless flexibility and professional power.